video, we have done the designing part, and now we'll go to the block part and do the programming. So for this, I'm going to click here blocks. This will be the particular window for the block coding part. These are the built-in blocks which are available already from the controls, logics, maths, text, list, dictionaries, colors, variables and procedures. And then there are the parts which we have designed in the designer part. So in the designer part, I have chosen one of the screen, I have taken the magic button and the Android image. So for this particular magic, I'll use the magic button name, magic button. Fine. So there are three parts: screen 1, magic button and Android image. So when I'll go to the block part, see there are screen, magic button and image Android. The logics are the part of your coding. Coding has been done by the MIT App Inventor already. You have to place your logics and you have to see whether your logic will work or not. So the particular application in the designer part is when someone who is using my application press this button, he or she will get that particular image. So this is my logic. So my logic is when someone who wants to see the image will have to click on the button. So I have to select a block which says my logic. When the button is clicked, so the first block is the thing which I needed. That is, when someone click my magic button, then that image should be appeared. So for that, I have to select image block. When I click here for the image block, these blocks will appear. So these are all the blocks under which coding has been done by MIT App Inventor. I have to choose the correct logic so that my application should work correctly. Now, when button should be clicked, then my image should be appeared, right? So I have to select something that will set my image visible, right? So I have to select the image. The image is known as image Android because I have given it its name as image Android. So I have to select the image Android which will be visible. See, set image Android, the image part, visible like this. And now we want to have this to be true. If I'll click the button, then my image should be visible. So it should be true. So for the true thing, we need logic. The logic are true, false, not. So this particular block, I have to drag it and place it here. So in this way, my block coding has been done. I have to only create my logics. When this particular button is clicked, then my image should be visible. It is true. If I place here false, then my image will not be visible, right? And if I want my image not to be visible, I'll set here true. So in this way, I have done my designing part, this, and I have done my coding part, that is block coding. Now the next thing is how to check this particular application. This will be discussed in the next tutorial. Thank you for watching this.